Okay, so I've been running around like crazy and don't really know what's going on, but this is the rare bench. Usually the best birds are up here. He's kind of sorting them out by category. The ones on the top are the ones that are usually going to move forward in the competition. So that's somebody's adult bird up there. And this is Linnaeus right here. And Narcissa down here in the dilute section. And over there is Cressida, my little violet surprise crested girl. She's kind of in a category by herself. So where'd she go? Where'd she go? Oh, he stood right in front of her. So I don't think any of them are gonna, go forward or anything. But they're still on the bench. A lot of birds have been eliminated. So it's kind of interesting. There's some beautiful lace wings up here and some beautiful Texas clear bodies. That's a lace wing.
That makes sense. Okay, I got you.
A lace wing. That is a gray dilute. She's a lovely bird. And this is a gray dilute. This guy is a clear flight pod. There's a nice blue dilute. I can hardly wait to get some of those. They're lovely. So yeah, lots. Oh, and there's a Texas clear body. It looks like Liney, only this guy is a lot bigger than Liney. Actually, he's a gray-green, whereas Liney's a regular green. But very interesting. Linnaeus, you look so handsome. Don't worry, you'll get it next year. So. I just got paid, so this is the judge. I'll let you know what happens. Oh, and that is Katesh right there. I'm sorry, I forgot she was up here. So that's Katesh. She's still up on the top bench. Check that out. Okay, I gotta go do work.